Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with D. Myself Rajmalu, and today we will download Python. So I'm sorry I didn't post it previously at the starting of my playlist, but you have to search simply install Python. So go on your any browser and then click on this link. I will share this link and just hit this button and the dude will be downloaded. So it's downloaded and then you have to click on open file and this drop box or box will come. You have to click on install now and yes, and I have a bit increased RAM so it will install quickly. Yours might take a minute. You can pause the video and download it. So as you can see, it is installed, so you have to click on close, and to check it is downloaded or not you have to click on, or you have to search IDLE, then you have to press enter and this shell is came. Now for customizing your IDL you have to click on option and configure IDL, and now you can search for any handwriting you want. I am this handwriting I like, and font should be little bigger, and I'll apply. So as you can see it is here and the font is bit creepy but it is good for me. So this was how to install Python. I will put all the links in the description, and I told you everything how to install Python, and there are more setups I will make. So till the next video, goodbye.